open that one. Okay. So excited. What do you want to do? You want to vlog? Okay, you want to unbox? Sige, sit down. Show them. Say hi to them first. Okay. Sige, come here. Mama will help you, okay? This is your board, Zid'S. Writing board, and it has also alphabet. And this is the stand. Oops, uh-oh. You have to make... It's the stand. Go there. You want to vlog? Where are you going? Oh, here. Dali. Remove the other one. The board. Oh. Let's check if there's another one. Oh, this is the alphabet here and the numbers. And what else, Dino? Oh, put it here. Oh, you didn't step on your board. Why you step on your board? Oh, put it here. Like this. I think it's like this, Dino. You can use the whiteboard and the blackboard. I think it's like this. We'll see. It's like this. Okay, I think you can adjust. You can put the something here. Yeah, this one, the stopper. Go there. You want to vlog and then you're going to another car. Come here. Face to the camera, Zid'S. The video. Okay. There. You're done? Not yet done. No, you're not done vlogging. You're not done. We have to put this here and the other side also. Here, very good. And I think this one is magnet. We'll check back there. And it has also the pen here. The pen. You want to write something? All right, dali. Come here. Oh, write. Oh, come here. All right. Ay, sorry. sorry. Oh, write here. Write your name here. Show to them you write your name. Write Zaid. Again. Zaid. My name is... What is your name? Zaid. Okay. Erase. Try to erase. Try to erase. Yeah, erase. I'm not sure which one. I think this side. Let's see. Oh, this one. Yes, very good. Very good. And what else? There's another color. Chalk. This one. What is this? I don't know what is this. We will find out what is this. What is this for? This one, the chalk. The chalk. No, I think it's the other side. Look, wait. Uh-oh. Wait. You write your name. What's your name? Zaid. Write your name, Zaid. Like this. Uh-oh. Zaid. Anak. And erase. Very good. And we'll try to put the magnet, Zid'S. I think the magnet, I think the other side. You want to erase? Finish na erase. We'll put the alphabet. Okay. We'll try. Where is letter A? A. No, it's not. You don't know yet. Okay, this one. We'll put it here. A. Where is letter B? B. Where is it? Oh, here. Put it there. Oh, very good. Magnet, Zid'S. It's magnet. Like the ref magnet over there. Nice one, huh? Put others up. This one will remove. Oops. Uh-oh. Yes. Finished. Last one. Put properly. Here. Put it here. Put it properly. Oh, bravo. Very good, Zid'S. Purpose of this one, Zid'S, is the chalk holder. See? We'll try. Yeah. Nice, na? Eraser. Nice. Eraser, whiteboard pen, the chalk sleeve, and the magnetic letters digital. The board.